Today I am just making the first lactose-free pastry cream with soy milk, a bit of lemon zest, 50 grams of sugar, a pinch of vanilla, 20 grams of flour, and 2 egg yolks. I heat the milk slightly a bit to heat. In a large mixing bowl, I carefully add the 2 fresh egg yolks, a generous amount of sugar, and a splash of pure vanilla extract, ensuring everything is ready for the next step in the recipe. Admission. I took the flour and stirred it right away. As you can clearly observe, the mixture was stirred thoroughly, resulting in a texture that is well aerated. It's important to note that the flour was not sifted before stirring. This process ensures that the flour is evenly distributed throughout the mixture, which is crucial for achieving the desired consistency in the final product. The immediate stirring helps to incorporate air into the mixture, enhancing its lightness and texture. I add a bit of lemon zest, which I will remove later. I like it with soy milk. The milk is slightly warm. I pour it into the egg and stir it immediately. It is already ready. It's already thick. Look how beautiful it is. Do you see it bubbling? That means it's ready. You must keep it constantly stirred so that it doesn't form lumps, remaining smooth and shiny. It's perfectly fine on that cold dish, which is why I quickly hurry to cool it down to the right temperature, ensuring it retains its intended flavor and texture. This is the lactose-free pastry cream. It is fabulous.